Whoa, Lucky is with the big guys. Lucky is holding her own with the team. She's part of the team. Here's Lucky, and here's big old Brittany, and here's Fluffy. So how great is this, eh? She's tucking in. Tucking in with the guys, with the team. Lovely. Is that nice? So everyone's sharing. Very good table manners. And Lucky is learning how to be a cat because she's copying her mum, and she's copying these guys to learn exactly what it means to be a cat. As you can see, this is what it's all about. And the mum is not far away. Are you, Vanity? You gonna join? Look how big Brittany is there. Big old girl, 5.5 kilograms. How much does Lucky weigh now? Have you weighed her recently? Not recently? I'll have to weigh Lucky and see how much she weighs. But Brittany's a big girl. Big girl. Whoa, is that nice, Brittany? It seems like Lucky seems to be the big eater. And I'll be having my dinner very soon as well. It's just cooking in the background. It's quite funny because I put the different bowls, and that bowl over there was really for Lucky, but she wants to eat with this one, and then Mum wants to eat from her bowl. So there we go. Okay guys, from Snow Castle Cats, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you in the next vid. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.